So these are wall mount Murphy chairs. I think we've all seen a Murphy bed or something that folds up into the wall. There's some keys here on this Murphy chair. For Americans with Disability Act, it has to be less than 4 inches if I'm going to put this in a hallway or a corridor. So this does meet that requirement. It's less than 4 inches. They can be wall mounted. So if I have a sheetrock wall, I want to make sure I have the correct bracing, maybe a brick wall or a concrete wall. They can be wall mounted, or they can be floor mounted too, because I have put these units in front of glass as long as they're floor mounted. So the interesting thing is, I call it a temporary chair. It's not a chair I want to sit in all day long. But watch what happens. When I fold this down and I let go, it auto folds back up. There's tons of colors to choose from, different material. If you're using this in a healthcare environment, there's a bleachable fabric. The concept is that this chair is designed to hold 600 pounds. So when I fold that down, I can sit there. And when I stand up, it automatically folds back up. It's a great temporary seating solution in a hallway, in a corridor, in a conference room where I need tons of seating, but I only need it temporarily. Tons of colors to choose from. The cool feature about it is this. It allows the bend, and when I stand up, it auto retracts up. That's why we call it a Murphy chair.